Hey, good morning. So, for those of you who haven't heard, a couple of months ago I quit my job, bought a passenger van, completely gutted it, and built kind of a living quarters inside of it. The idea is to spend the next 5 or 6 months taking a big long road trip up to Alaska. And I got a traveling companion. This is Link. He's a 7-month-old Shepherd Husky mix. I guess he wanted to say hi. Anyways, we just woke up. I'm going to make some coffee and get things put together. And while I do that, I'm going to let you guys check out the photos of the van I just built. Toodaloo. So, the bench here folds out into a bed. It's a little bit bigger than a twin, a little less than a full. Underneath, I have a 12-volt cooler. The drawer is for pantry stuff, so I got a bunch of canned goods in there. If we step up inside, here's my wardrobe. Toolbox, miscellaneous supplies, hammock, backpack, etc. On the other side, all my dirt bike gear fits here. And then I have a little kitchenette. So I got a medicine cabinet. And the dishes are all stored underneath. The sink. And that drains into a little 5-gallon tank underneath the van. And I have a little chemical toilet for when I'm out in the boonies. Come around all the way to the back side. Again, when you're out in the boonies, have a little outdoor shower, which is not that comfortable when it gets cold outside, but it does the job.